everybody, this is Kanchan again. Today we are going to play scavenger hunt in the garden. I have a lot of pictures here. I'm gonna pick them one by one and you have to find where they are in the garden. Let's So the first picture is the salad. Do you see the salad in the garden? You are right, it is right here. Good job. Now the second picture is a rhubarb. Can you see rhubarb in my garden? Good job, it is right here. Now let's go to another picture. Oh, what is this? It looks like a wheelbarrow. Can you find wheelbarrow in my garden? Good job, it is right here. So let's go pick another photo now. Oh, what is it? It's a pile of sand. Can you find it in my garden? Good job, it is right here. Another picture. Oh, it's a cucumber. Where is the cucumber in my garden? Did you find it? I found it. It's right here. Good job, everybody. Oh, now look at these lovely flowers. Do you see sunflowers in my garden? Oh, it's right here. Good job, everybody. Oh, look now. We have a swing. Do you see swing in my garden? No, it's right here. Good job. Good job, guys. You all did well. And thank you for playing with me. Please remember to subscribe to our channel and ring the bell. Bye-bye.